10 Effective 401k to Gold IRA Investment Strategies. Diversifying your retirement portfolio is crucial, and transitioning a 401k into a Gold IRA can offer stability and a hedge against inflation. Here are 10 strategies to consider. 1. Direct rollover. Transfer funds directly from your 401k to a Gold IRA to avoid early withdrawal penalties and taxes, keeping your investment tax deferred. 2. Choose the right custodian. Select a custodian experienced in precious metals IRAs to ensure compliance and a smooth rollover process. 3. Asset allocation. Diversify by analyzing your asset allocation. Balancing gold with other assets can protect against market volatility. 4. Market timing. Monitor market conditions to determine the best time for your rollover, maximizing your investment's value. 5. Compare Gold IRA providers. Evaluate providers for fees, storage options, and customer service to secure your investment. 6. Understand tax implications. Consult a tax advisor to understand potential taxes on rollovers and optimize your tax strategy. 7. Incorporate physical gold. Include IRS-approved physical gold coins or bars in your IRA for tangible security. 8. Regulatory compliance. Familiarize yourself with IRS regulations to avoid penalties and protect your savings. 9. Rebalance your portfolio. Regularly adjust your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. 10. Long-term horizon. Focus on long-term growth, using Gold IRAs to safeguard your retirement against economic uncertainties. Transitioning to a Gold IRA can diversify and secure your retirement. With these strategies, you can confidently navigate the rollover process and fortify your financial future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.